Hi, I'm Annika Johnson from Al Johnson's in Sister Bay. I hope you enjoy my new video series called Door County Girl. These are stories of my life, the people and places that I love, and of course how we all survive here in northern Wisconsin. You can come back as often as you like, but don't forget to subscribe to Al's YouTube channel. I'll be posting lots of really cool new videos. So let's go.
Hey.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Door County Girl. I'm here with my brother,
Rolf.
And we are making, what are we making?
Well, I'm going to make some buffalo wing sauce.
Yum.
And we're going to use Al Johnson's Lingonberries.
And you don't get any.
I get the sauce, but I'm not going to eat the chicken or the buffalo wings.
I get to eat the wings.
And I don't know why they call them buffalo wings.
Yeah, why?
I don't know.
Yeah, that is a good question.
Yeah. But this
Somebody
sauce,
better write into us and tell them.
Yeah.
But they were made in Buffalo.
Is that why?
Yeah, I mean the whole hot sauce thingy and.
I had no idea.
Okay, all my Buffalo friends that I have, my lady friends, they're going to be mad at me for not knowing that. Dana, sorry. Yeah.
All right, but this could also be used in other items.
Sorry, Colleen.
If you could, you might not care for it, but maybe like a deep fried tofu or something like that and coat it in this too as well. So you could use other things, but it's really meant to
or ribs.
Oh yeah, that would be good actually.
Yeah.
Riblets.
Riblets.
So all we're gonna do is we're gonna put some butter in this pan, melt it down, and if I tell you what to do, you can add the ingredients.
Okay, let's switch spots.
So let's melt this all down.
Okay.
And we're gonna add let's see, the whole bottle of Texas Pete.
Texas
Pete.
Pete's.
And you can use any hot sauce you like.
Ralph loves Texas Pete's.
I do. I really do on everything.
We have stash.
Oh, not all of it. Yeah, just kidding.
Oh my God.
All right. So then we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Okay, a 1/4 teaspoon?
Yep.
Of a cayenne pepper. Heaping?
Yeah, slightly rounded maybe.
Like that?
Sure. We're going to do a 1/4 of Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire, a 1/4 of that?
Yep.
How come so little?
You just need the kind of the.
I just wonder about that. You know, it's like, why just a little bit?
You just need enough.
Just like that?
Yep.
Okay.
Then we're going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic.
1/8 of a teaspoon.
Yep. Let's turn this up so we get it going high.
Is it going to get stuck on here?
That's okay. You can whack
It's
it in
like,
there. Go a little. You like garlic, don't you?
I do.
Go a little more.
Like,
Yeah, that sounds good.
good?
And then the magic ingredient, Lingonberries.
Ooh, yes, that is the magic ingredient.
And you can put some pepper in there if you wish to.
And some pepper.
You be the judge.
I love pepper. I'm the only one that fills up our pepper jar at work because Dale and I are the only ones that use it. So just tell me when?
Yep, you say when.
Oh, how about I just better ease up?
Okay. Stir it up.
Okay,
Melt the butter. Bring it to a boil.
okay. That was easy. That's it?
It is easy. Very easy. It might take a little bit for that butter to boil up, though.
I'll chop it up.
And what's great about this is it's wing season for us right now, depending on when this airs. So if you have playoff games or any football games coming up in the fall, tailgate party at home, however you want to do it. If you're making buffalo wings, drumettes, or whatever, this is a great recipe for that opportunity.
How easy is that?
It's so easy. And the twist is the Al Johnson Lingonberries. It adds a little sweetness to it. Oh, the one thing I did forget to add, it's sitting right in front of me, vinegar.
Ooh.
That gives a little tartness too.
Okay.
Now we got everything in there we need to get in there.
Vinegar.
You can salt it to taste later, but I would leave the salt out for right now just because you got plenty in the Worcestershire.
What's up with vinegar? It stinks so bad.
But it tastes so
but
good.
But it tastes so good.
Especially when you mix it with sugar. Wow.
Like apple cider vinegar is so tasty. Yeah. All the vinegars. But it just stinks.
But I wonder if it's just something when you get older, because when you're a kid, I probably couldn't stand it. It's like coffee and all that stuff. Blue cheese, used to hate it. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I used to hate tomatoes, and now I love them.
I can stomach tomatoes. I like everything made with a tomato. I just don't like tomatoes.
That's so weird to me that you don't love tomatoes.
Oh, I can tell you my Charlie Barron story.
Oh, let's hear it.
So Charlie Barron's the
Oh
group.
my God, I know. Tell me it again, though. This is so funny.
So,
you guys didn't hear it.
I don't know if you guys know Charlie Barron from the Manitowoc Minute. He's got this little podcast, and he also tours the country. And
He was just at the auditorium.
He makes fun of the Midwesterners in a playful, positive way. And
he loves Wisconsinites.
oh yeah, well he's from Wisconsin.
Yeah, but I mean he mocks other states.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But he always talks about how nice people are in the Midwest to the point where they're overly nice.
Yeah, overly.
I love the show. He's a great guy. But he does have a habit of making fun of the Bears at the end of every single episode. Every episode. And he happened to come into Al's. He's sitting at the counter with two members of his group. One guy that opened for him. I think one guy was his producer. And they said he was out there. So I nonchalantly put on my Chicago Bear hat, because those of you who don't know, I'm a Bear fan. And I walked out to pretend I needed a cup of coffee, and I grabbed my mug and had a Chicago Bear mug. And I turned around, and I looked at Charlie Bear, and I looked at the other guys, and I pointed at my hat. I didn't say a word. I went like this. And he goes, "No, you're not making our food." And I said, "I am making your food." But he was a true sport. He was, like I say, a great guy.
That was so
super
funny.
friendly, super nice. So you can shut that down now. Now it's boiling.
Yeah, I couldn't interrupt your story.
All right, go ahead and take that off the stove. And what I got here in the oven.
Should I put it over here?
Staying warm. Now you're gonna melt that thing, so just probably set it over here.
Leave it there.
Yep. Go ahead and give me that rag so I can grab these. So I got a bowl of chicken wings and drumettes in here, right?
Mm-hmm.
And all we're gonna do is pour some of this on there.
Whenever we have chicken wings at work for help lunch, you've got to get them quick.
Oh yeah. They
Those
disappear
dishwashers
fast.
walk over there, and there's none left like in what, 10 minutes, right, Kit?
Where'd our wooden spoon go? That's my favorite. Oh.
The other day they made a nice casserole, one with meat and one without meat for everybody to have, and it wasn't even out 20 minutes and it was gone. So I asked the cooks, well, what do the rest of us get for help lunch? Because there's still like 25 people that didn't eat. And he goes, I don't know, go talk to the dishwashers. It's not so necessary for me. I'll just eat anything, but I think everybody else was a little miffed.
All right, so you need to tell me how they turned out.
Okay, are they boiling hot?
The
Like, I
chick-
mean, like temperature?
The chicken was just at warm, so I don't
Okay.
think you're gonna burn yourself.
My favorite are the drumsticks. Because they're more like, I'm not ladylike eater, though.
Nah. You can let it dribble.
We need a bib.
Here's a napkin.
These are good.
They turn out good?
How come we don't make these at Al's?
This is something we came up with. Actually, Kit shared the idea with
I
me.
think that we should have this at the Shuck.
The very first year we opened, we did have chicken wings on the menu, but we couldn't keep up. That's a good thing, but we just didn't have the room.
Really good. You know what? The lingonberries really pop in this.
Oh, it's got a tang, doesn't it?
Oh, it's so good.
Sweet, and then the vinegar, and
With
then the hot sauce.
lingonberries,
And what I like about Texas Pete, it's not too hot. Even though it says hot, it's nowhere near what the Tabasco brands are. And I love Tabasco on eggs and things like that. Frank's Red Hot is excellent. Any of one of your favorite hot sauces will work. Kid had mentioned a Chipotle Tabasco would be good on there too. But I think this one's a
This is
perfect.
perfect.
This is a perfect all-rounder.
I gotta get my meat-eating friend Mindy to get this on her.
And you could slather, like you say, you could do
Chicken.
this on ribs. I think it would go good with some
Pork tenderloin.
and maybe some fried tofu for people like myself.
Oh yeah, that would be good. This is really good.
So that was a simple recipe for a Door County girl. My Charlie Barron story. Good fall recipe. Good picnic recipe because you could serve these cold too.
Yeah, you could, but it's just better hot.
Oh yeah.
But these are delicious.
All right. Well, that's another episode of Door County Girl.
Yes.
Just
And
like that.
That was an easy peasy little short one for you.
And the ingredients are simple, all available. Don't forget your Al Johnson Lingonberries.
And don't forget, if I can make it, you can make
Oh,
it.
yeah.
This is how it goes. I just come for the food.
And don't forget to like,
And
subscribe,
at the bottom of the page.
and keep yourself posted as we'll keep you posted.
That's right. We'll send you some more delicious recipes or talk to some more crazy people.
I should have brought some tofu. I could have enjoyed something with
Yeah,
you.
see, now you don't get any.
You're
You might
right.
have to just straight eat that like soup.
You're at the trough.
Get a straw.
All right.
Bye, everyone.
Hey-do.
Thanks for watching Door County Girl. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you next time.